Here is our final render. Let's open Photoshop. Add a folder. Make sure your frame buffer history is on. This is our motion blur fan. Save all to separate files. Save in OpenEXR. Let's open. Go to image mode and set it to 8-bit per channel and click on exposure and gamma and press OK. Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Go to sharpen, unsharp mask, amount 30 and radius 3. And another sharpen, unsharp mask, amount 3 and radius 30. It will give detail. Go to camera raw filter. Let's adjust some values. You click on auto. Let's adjust some values. Go to image and add curves. Let's try again. Make more highlights. You can see image more adjustment. Add our LUT file. This LUT file is good. Click on OK. Go to filter, sharpen and smart sharp. Make this 100. Let's fix this. Decrease its size. Or make it undo. Here are the results. Let's save. You can see the render.